खुशी पहुंचाने के लिए, होपफुली। वेल, आप लोगों को ठंडी में जल्दी जल्दी सुबह उठने की इच्छा होती है? बिल्कुल नहीं। उठ के ऑफिस या स्कूल जाने की इच्छा होती है? बिल्कुल नहीं। बिल्कुल भी नहीं। पर मुझे याद आ रहा है, I remember that when I was around 9 or 10, and I got up in a chilly morning, and my mother told me, Adya, if you have gotten up so early, go and study. I obeyed. I went to study. But I had this one question in my mind. Why does everybody tell us to study all the time? See, studying is important for our brain. But playing is also important for our brain. Because on all these boxes it is written, improves concentration, enhances skills, improves memory, etc., etc., etc. Then why does everybody tell us to study? If we ask this, they will say that if you study, you will become doctors, engineers, teachers. But we have become all these characters from when we were so young. From when we were 4 to 5 years old, we have been playing doctor, playing teacher, making Lego buildings from Lego blocks. Then why does everybody tell us to study? If we can become all these characters while playing. If we say this to adults, they will 100% say, आजकालची मुलं ना किती दुष्ट झाली आहे. कुठून सुचतं एवढं बोलायला? जा अभ्यासाला बस. अभ्यासाला बस हे नक्की येणारच. ते प्रश्नाचं उत्तर नाही देणार, पण अभ्यासाला बस देणार. By the way, if you want to study in a fun way, then you should group study. Because in group study, more than studying, chattering, talking, and fun takes place. For example, if me and my friends are studying and we are doing Hindi, we read, मेज पर किताब रखी है. वैसे मेज से याद आया, तूने भूल भुलैया 3 देखी क्या? और फिर एक बार हम साइंस पढ़ रहे थे. साइंस पढ़ते पढ़ते हमने पढ़ा कि water is important for digestion in all animals. Water? Actually, I am thirsty. Let's go to drink water. One person is thirsty, but all go to drink water. And then they get stuck in the cricket match. After hours, when their mom come to pick them up, they remember, hey, आपण तर अभ्यास करत होतो ना. This is the kind of condition of our students. In class, all these distractions are more because the group study is more. Because 40 children are studying and one teacher is teaching. If a teacher says respiration, everybody will inhale deeply. And I noticed some of you inhale deeply right now. And the other half are inhaling deeply right now. When the teacher tells something about water, everybody will open their bottle and start drinking water. And then one day when I was in first, our teacher was teaching us addition. While she was teaching us addition, she wrote on the board, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. One smart boy stood up and said, पर मूवी का नाम तो 2 और 2 5 है. The other day we were learning science. And our teachers told us, plants use carbon dioxide to make food. One smart person stood up and said, ये पौधे तो सच में हवा पे जीते हैं. These are the kind of distractions all of us face in class. If the teacher has told to copy something from the board into your notebook, one child will obviously turn back and ask, hey, shh, pencil है क्या? पेंसिल नहीं है. तेरे पास पेंसिल है? पेंसिल मेरे पास भी नहीं है. तेरे पास पेंसिल? हे क्या है? पेंसिल है क्या? पेंसिल हाँ है. उसे पास कर. From that corner of the classroom till this corner of the classroom, the pencil is passed and the whole classroom gets disturbed. Then the teacher will scold all of us. and the teacher will scold all of us. What are you people doing? Come on, go and do complete your notebooks. By the way, from teachers I remember that on Teachers' Day, teachers get a holiday. They don't have to work. Somebody else comes and teaches us during Teachers' Day. But then why on Children's Day, children have to go to school? Why on Engineers' Day, all of you have to work? Why does somebody else not come and make buildings instead of you? Why? Why only teachers and not other professionals? And of course, children. So, when we ask this to teachers, they will surely say, आजकालची मुलं ना कुठून सुचतं एवढं बोलायला? जा अभ्यास करा, हे सगळं फालतूचं नका विचार करू. And we will not get answer to any of our questions. So, till we get the answer to this question, I'll say bye, and that's all for today. Bye!